The Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries is seeking to increase local production of animal feed. Making his contribution to the 2022-2023 sectoral debate in the House of Representatives this week, Portfolio Minister Pernell Charles Jr. said he's collaborating with Jamaica's main fertilizer manufacturers to guide research for the development of new blends that will maximize efficiency and reduce the cost for farmers.
Animal feed, Madam Speaker, accounts for approximately 70% of the cost in animal production. And so recently our industry has been challenged because of the rising cost of animal feed and the cost of input ingredients to make that feed. As a part of our efforts to reduce input costs, our Bodles Research Station has established 42 acres of Mombasa grass. This grass will be used to make hay and silage and sell to small farmers at cost. And this is a part of our food security program to support increased production while also serving as training for our small farmers. We want Jamaica to produce its own input to keep our costs stable.
Plans are also in place to help farmers reduce and reuse waste. The ministry also plans to train farmers on how to use local and farm materials to compost and reduce their reliance on chemical fertilizers.
It is our goal to reduce the dependency on the synthetic fertilizer. It's very important for us to use it, but we want to use it well and use it efficiently. Madam Speaker, we'll be using local materials because it has been proven to promote higher yields of agricultural crops and also healthier soil structure.
He says the ministry is putting mechanisms in place for increased commercial production of organic fertilizer from composting from household materials, adding that this is intended to combat the effects of rising fertilizer prices.
Madam Speaker, we have started implementing a multifaceted approach, which includes, one, sourcing fertilizer from other sources aside from Russia. Recently, Madam Speaker, you know that we received fertilizers which are being distributed now, and this was the third donation.
He says plans are being carried out to diversify the import sources of fertilizers.